Sometimes recording your screen or short video messages is enough, especially if your team is working in different time zones. Zoom Clip offers a convenient solution for recording your screen and camera without having to set up a Zoom meeting every time. Here are the steps to record a Zoom clip directly from the Zoom app. Open the Zoom Workplace app, click on Clips. Choose whether you want to record your screen and your camera, your screen only, or your camera only. Then click Start Recording. When finished recording, click Stop to end your recording. Preview your clip and make any necessary edits using the basic editing tools. Add a title and description to finalize your clip. Now that you know how to use Zoom clips to quickly record and share workflow videos, take it a step further. When those clips lead to live discussions, Tactiq in Zoom captures real-time transcripts, stores them securely, and creates AI summaries so you never miss key points. Learn more at tactic.io and subscribe for more Zoom meeting tips.